In this video, I'm going to show you how to tag material in Revit. Now to do this, first you want to open your view. It could be a section, elevation, 3D view, or whatever you want. Basically where you want to show the materials, okay? Then you want to go to this Annotate tab up top, and here you'll see it's going to say Material Tag in here, okay, under Tag. So click on Material Tag, then you want to basically zoom in and select where you actually want it to show. So as you can see, as I hover over it, the things that have materials assigned are going to show it. So for example, here we have steel. I'm going to just click on here, and then I can just go and basically click where I want this text to display. So I'm going to click on here, and there we go. Of course, I can click again just like this, and it's going to tag the material. Now I can do the same thing again. I can just go and click on something else, like for example, I don't know, maybe down here where you have concrete. I'm going to click on it and then click again and again. I can go and place it, and there we go. Just like this, you can tag material in Revit. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.